Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. A weekend means something delicious and different for breakfast or brunch, and that's what happens on our side. So today I'm sharing egg and cheese toast, bread with egg and cheese, and nutritious and kids' favorite. Perfect for school snack or after school snack as well. So let's go and make it happen. So first for this recipe we need bread slices. I'm using white bread today, but you can use whole wheat as well. Now I'm adding an additional layer to this yummy toast. So I had a leftover potato paratha roll filling. So I'm using that. One, you can skip that layer as well. It will come out perfect. Or you can just boil some potatoes, add some salt, black pepper, cilantro, peppers, or whatever you want to add in there. And then you can layer this as well. So I just spread this potato mixture into an even layer. Then with the help of spoon, I just press the middle part of the bread slices. Now if you are not using this potato layer, you can exactly follow this step and make a hollow space in the middle of this bread slice. Now very carefully, just crack an egg in right there in the middle. Then I season this egg with some salt and crushed black pepper. Then I took some mild shredded cheddar cheese. You can use mozzarella or any of your favorite cheese and just spread it all around the edges of this toast. Then I carefully transfer this bread slice onto my baking sheet, which is already lined with the piece of foil. For easy transfer, I did the rest on the baking sheet. Then I baked them on 350 degrees until egg comes to your desired doneness. It could be runny or completely done. So here are your egg and cheese toast ready to serve. As I already mentioned, they are my kids' favorite. You can make them for school snacks as well. And if you try this recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.